Right triangle trigonometry is amazing. It's so important, and it's a little limited because not everything in the world is a right triangle. So then we're going to move on to other things, but I'm going to show you how that actually works. First of all, here's triangle ABC. You have to remember that angles are written in capital letters and sides are written in lowercase letters. This is angle A. The one that's across from it is side A. So angle B, the one that's across from it, is side B. This is angle C, the one that's across from it is side C. We're going to draw an altitude from angle B down to the other side of the triangle. Remember, an altitude is going to go through the vertex and be perpendicular to that side. And this is the height of the triangle, so I'm going to label it H. So if you look at this left piece as its own right triangle, I'm going to do sine of A. Remember, sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse because we're going to use right triangle trigonometry to move on to this next thing. It's called the law of sines. It's not a secret. We're going to use the right triangle trigonometry to develop the law of sines. Now, angle A has the opposite side of this H, and then the hypotenuse of this triangle is C. So sine of theta equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So I'm just going to leave it alone for just a minute. We're going to come over here to this right piece. We're going to do the same thing with angle C. So we're going to do sine of C, and it equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So it's the opposite over the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse of the right triangle is A. Now remember, in math, we can do whatever we want to. So algebraically with this, I'm going to multiply both sides by C. And then over here, I'm going to multiply both sides by A. And then you need to notice that I have H equals and H equals. So I can say if this equals H, and H equals this, they are equal to each other. So I'm going to say C sine A equals A sine C. C sine A equals H, and H equals A sine C. We can do whatever we want to with math. We're going to try to do what makes sense and what's reasonable and really what's going to be helpful. I'm going to divide both sides by C. So over here I have side C and side C. They cancel. Well, then I'm also going to divide both sides by A. And then here, both A's cancel. So what we have on the left side is sine of angle A over side A equal to sine of angle C over side C, like that. This is part of the law of sines. I'm going to rotate the triangle. I'm going to do the exact same thing and show you with all these equal signs that they all equal each other. But this is 2/3 of it. So you get sine of angle A over side A, and that's going to be equal to sine of angle B over side B, and that's equal to sine of angle C over side C. And usually when I'm in the middle of doing something, I'm fast and say sine A over A equals sine B over B and equals sine C over C. And sometimes we can talk about A and A, B and B, and C and C. Also, you will see it, if you look at a book or look anywhere online, you will see it written like this. Both are correct, you can use them both. I like to do with one equation at a time. So that's why I like to go with the one right here in purple